Now we are going to learn the practice set 2.2 in a Pythagoras theorem. आज आपण पायथागोरस प्रमेयामधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.2 मधील सर्व प्रॉब्लेमचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. First problem in a practice set 2.2. In a triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is equal to 11, PR is equal to 17 and PS is equal to 13, find QR. This is a given triangle PQR. S is the midpoint of side QR. Then segment PS is a median. Therefore, solution of this problem. In a triangle PQR, segment PS is the midpoint. Therefore, by using Apollonius theorem, remaining two side of sum of square of remaining two side PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square. Substitute the value in this equation. 11 square plus 17 square is equal to 2 multiply 13 square plus 2QS square. 11 square 121 plus 289 is equal to 2 multiply 169 plus 2QS square. 121 plus 289 is equal to 410 is equal to 2 multiply 169 is a 338 plus 2QS square. 338 goes down LHS side, then we get minus 2QS square is equal to 410 minus 338. Subtraction of this 410 minus 338 is equal to 72. Therefore, 2QS square is equal to 72. QS square is equal to 72 upon 2 is equal to 36. Taking square root on both sides, then we get QS is equal to 6. To find QR, QR is the twice of QS because S is a midpoint of QR. Therefore, QR is equal to QS plus SR. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Hence, the length of segment QR is equal to 12. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10, AC is equal to 7, BC is equal to 9. Then find the length of median drawn from point C to side AB. First, to understand the meaning of this problem. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये AB बरोबर 10, AC बरोबर 7, BC बरोबर 9. तर C बिंदूतून बाजू AB वर काढलेल्या मध्यगेची लांबी काढा. Segment CD is the median. In a triangle ABC, segment CD is the median. Therefore, point D is a midpoint of AB. Hence, AD is the half of AB. Therefore, AD is equal to half multiply AB. Half multiply 10, 2 5 are 10. AD is equal to 5 and BD is equal to 5. By using Apollonius theorem, CD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, AC square plus BC square is equal to 2CD square plus 2AD square. मध्यकाच्या बाजूवर आहे उरलेल्या दोन बाजूच्या वर्गाची बेरीज बरोबर 2 टाइम्स CD square plus 2 times AD square. Substitute the value. 7 square plus 9 square is equal to 2 multiply CD square plus 2 multiply 5 square. 7 square is a 49 plus 9 square is 81 is equal to 2 multiply CD square plus 2 multiply 5 square is a 25. 49 plus 81 is a 130 is equal to 2 CD square plus 50. 50 goes down LHS side, then you get minus 2 CD square is equal to 130 minus 50. Then 2 CD square is equal to 80. 2 goes on RHS side, then we get divide CD square is equal to 80 upon 2. 2 4 8 0. CD square is equal to 40. Taking square root on both sides, CD is equal to in square root 10 multiply 4. Square root of 4 is a 2. Hence CD is equal to 2 in a square root 10. Therefore, the length of the median drawn from point C to AB is the segment CD is 2 square root 10. This is the answer. Problem number 3. In figure, segment PS is median of triangle PQR and PT is a perpendicular to QR. Prove that number 1, PR square is equal to PS square plus QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. And second, to prove that PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Solution of this problem: in a triangle PQR, PS is a median, therefore point S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, QS is equal to SR, and QR is a 2 times of QS and 2 times of SR, or QS is a half of QR and SR is the half of QR. Hence, therefore, 2 times QS is equal to QR and 2 times SR is equal to QR. First, to prove PR square is equal to PS square plus QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Here on LHS side is a PR square, PR this side. In a triangle PSR, angle S is the greater than 90 degree. Therefore, in a triangle PSR, angle PSR is the obtuse angle. By using application of Pythagoras theorem in a obtuse angle triangle PSR, the opposite side of obtuse angle is PR. Therefore, PR square is equal to sum of square of remaining side PS square plus SR square. And here PT is a perpendicular to the QR. Therefore, plus 2SR multiply ST. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem in obtuse angle triangle. Here PR square is equal to PS square. To change, rearrange of this equation, first write 2SR multiply ST plus SR square. Therefore, QR is the 2 times of SR. Therefore, 2SR we can write QR. 2SR replaced by QR. Therefore, QR is equal to 2SR in this equation. 2SR multiply ST plus SR is equal to half multiply QR. This S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, SR is the half of QR. SR replaced by half into QR and 2SR replaced by QR in this equation. Therefore, PR square is equal to PS square, 2SR is equal to QR multiply ST plus SR is equal to 1 QR upon 2 bracket square. Hence, it is a proof. First, PR square is equal to PS square plus QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Second, in a triangle PSQ, angle PSQ is an acute angle by using application of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle PSQ, the opposite side of acute angle is the PQ square is equal to sum of square of remaining side PS square plus QS square minus 2QS multiply ST. Rearrange these two terms. First write the minus 2QS multiply ST. PQ square is equal to PS square minus 2QS multiply ST plus QS square. 2QS is equal to QR and QS is the half of QR. substitute this value, then we get PR square, PQ square is equal to PS square minus 2 QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR multiply ST plus QR upon 2 bracket square. Take next problem. Problem number 4. In a triangle ABC, point M is midpoint of side BC. AB square plus AC square is equal to 290, AM is equal to 8 centimeter. Find BC. Solution of this problem. In a triangle ABC, point M is a midpoint of side BC. Therefore, by using Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Substitute the value, then you get AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 plus 2 multiply AM is equal to 8 square plus 2BM square. 290 is equal to 2 multiply 8 square 64 plus 2BM square. 290 is equal to 2 multiply 64 is a 128 plus 2BM square. 128 goes down LHS side, then you get minus 2BM square is equal to 290 minus 108 is equal to 162. This 2 multiply BM square, 2 goes down RHS side, then we get divide. BM square is equal to 81. Taking square root on both sides, BM is equal to 9. Therefore, to find BC, BC is the 2 times of BM. BC is equal to 2 multiply BM, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Therefore, length of BC is equal to 18 centimeter. In figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS. Prove that TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. As shown in figure, draw segment AB is a parallel to SR and A dash T dash B. Then prove that TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. In a rectangle PQRS, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Therefore, AB is a parallel to SR. Therefore, AB is also parallel to PQ. Then for PABQ is also rectangle. ABRS is also rectangle. Solution of this problem from figure, in a triangle P A T, every angle of rectangle is 90 degree. AB is a parallel to SR. Then for PABQ is a rectangle. Every angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle PAT is equal to 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. PT square is equal to PA square plus AT square. We get equation number 1. Similarly, in a triangle SAT, angle SAT is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is a ST square. ST square or TS square is equal to SA square plus AT square. We get equation number 2. Similarly, in a triangle QBT, angle B is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle QBT is equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, TQ square is equal to QB square plus BT square. We get equation number 3. And in a triangle BRT, angle B is equal to 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. TR square is equal to RB square plus BT square. We get equation number 4. ऍडिंग इक्वेशन 2 and 3, समीकरण 2 व 3 ची बेरीज करूया. ts स्क्वेअर प्लस tq स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू sa स्क्वेअर प्लस at स्क्वेअर प्लस qb स्क्वेअर प्लस bt स्क्वेअर. समीकरण 2 आणि 3च्या LHS साइडची LHS बाजूला बेरीज आणि RHS साइडची RHS साइडला बेरीज असेल. But therefore PA is equal to QB. PA is equal to QB because PQBA is a rectangle. Opposite side of rectangle are congruent. Therefore PA is equal to QB and SA is equal to BR. Substitute the value here. PA, this is a QB, this QB. SA, this is a SA. Therefore TS square plus TQ square, SA replaced by RB square plus AT square, QB, this is a QB replaced by PA square plus BT square. Rearrange, this is the RHS side. Then we get TS square plus TQ square, here AT square plus PA square, write down first, plus BT square plus RB square. From equation 1 and 4, equation number 1, PA square plus AT square is equal to TP square. On RHS side, AT square plus PA square is a TP square. From equation 4, BT square plus RB square is equal to TR square. From equation 1 and 4, we can write this equation TS square plus TQ square is equal to, this is a value, TP square plus TR square, hence it is a proof.